Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna compute the standard deviation for the following data. This question came in December 2017 BPC, that is your Bachelor in Psychology 004. So if you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe it now. Guys, इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे आपकी स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन के बारे में। स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्या होता है और ये कैसे कंप्यूट होता है। अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की बात करें तो ये क्वेश्चन आपका 6 मार्क्स में बीपीसी दैट इज बैचलर इन साइकोलॉजी में पूछा जा चुका है। तो अगर आपको स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन निकालना नहीं आता है तो इस वीडियो को पूरा और एंड तक जरूर देखें। और गाइज, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए आए हैं तो बेल आइकन को दबाएं और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली वीडियो आपको सबसे जल्दी और आसानी से मिल सके। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग फॉर द टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड दिस इज कैफीन शॉर्ट्स। तो गाइज, ये आपके पास डाटा है। मैं इस डाटा को क्या कर लेता हूँ, मैं इस डाटा को टेबुलेशन फॉर्म में लिख लेता हूँ और इस डाटा को मैंने मान लिया है x, राइट। तो इस डाटा को मैं टेबुलेशन फॉर्म में आपका लिख लेता हूँ। सो गाइज, ये जो डाटा आपका ऊपर गिवन था, राइट, इस डाटा को मैंने एज इट इज आपका नीचे नोट डाउन कर लिया है इन द टेबुलेशन फॉर्म। नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ टर्म इन द डाटा x, that is how many terms are there in the data x. So if you count, there are total 9 terms in your data, right? So total number of the term in the data is your 9. Now what we have to do, we have to do the summation of x, right? So summation of x, that means that we have to add as all these digits, that is 20 plus 30 plus 12 and so on. So if you count all these digits, it will come around 180, right? So summation of x is 180. Now what we have to do, we have to find the mean of this data. So how do we find the mean? That is, mean should be represented by xm, x mean, or you can say x bar, right? These three are the way to represent the mean: xm, x mean and x bar. You can use any way, right? But how do we find out the mean? Mean should be sum of observation divided by total number of observation, right? We already talk about on this topic, total number of observation. Now when we talk about the sum of observation, we already, that is 180. So sum of observation is 180 and total number of observation, how many terms in our data? That is 9, right? So 180 divided by 9, which comes around, that is 20. So mean, yeah, or you can say the value of mean for this data is 20. So 20 is the mean for this data. Now what would be our next step? Right, let's see. So next step would be x minus x bar. We have the value of x. So just in case, so that I don't have to scroll down again and again, I am writing x bar, that is our mean value, that is 20, right? Just in case, you don't have to write it here, right? So x bar is our 20. Now x minus x bar, value of x is 20 minus x bar, that is 20 minus 20. 20 minus 20, that is 0. So x minus x bar is 0. Same goes for the another digit, that is 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20, that is your 10. And same goes for all of the digit. I am just writing, right? So you can cross check or tally the answers. Now this is our the value of x minus x bar. Now what we have to do next, we have to do x minus x bar whole square, that x minus x bar, we have to do the square term, right? Now 0 square, that is 0, 10 square 100, and same goes for all the value. After computing the x minus x bar whole square, we have to do the summation of x minus x bar whole square, that is sum of all this term that is in the tabulation form of the x minus x bar whole square, that is 0 plus 100 plus 64 and so on. When you calculate or when you sum up this data, right, minus x bar square data, right, it will come around 320. So value of x minus x bar whole square is equals to 320. Now what is our question? We have to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation in short form is represented by SD, right? Now what is the formula for the standard deviation? That is under root of summation of x minus x bar ka whole square divided by n minus 1, right? Now what is the value of x minus x bar square? That is 320, right? We already found out right? So 320 divided by n minus 1, n value of n is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Guys, when you solve this, it will come around 6.32. So the value of standard deviation for this question, or you can say for this data, is 6.32, right? So standard deviation is 6.32, right? Just a little short form of the video, right? So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, a sub will be phenomenal. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe it now, so that in future you can get notification on the bell icon, so that you can get the notification easily and firstly. So we'll see each other in the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and be safe and keep smiling. Thank you all of you.